You don't need motivation. You need 5 micro habits. Do these for 30 days and you'll be unrecognizable. Write these in your notes app or journal so you can actually apply them, because reading isn't the same as doing. And don't try to perfect this. Pick a start day, follow the list, and let momentum do the heavy lifting. Habit 1. The 10-minute start. Every day, 10 minutes on the thing you avoid. The workout, the homework, the business idea, the cleaning, the hard conversation. Your brain will scream for comfort, but the rule is simple. Starting is the win. Most people aren't lazy, they're stuck at the start line. 10 minutes breaks the spell. Habit 2. Phone lock. No phone for the first 20 minutes after waking. Not even just checking. Because whatever you feed your mind first becomes your mood, your focus, your standards. Replace it with water, light, and a quick movement. Push-ups, a walk, stretches, anything that tells your brain, I'm in control today. Habit 3. The 2-minute reset. Clear your space. Set tomorrow's first move. Lay out the clothes, open the laptop to the right tab, put the book on the desk. You're not cleaning, you're removing friction. The cleaner the environment, the easier the decision. Habit 4. One hard thing daily. A cold shower for 30 seconds. The last set to failure. That uncomfortable call. That one task you keep dodging. This trains your identity. I don't negotiate with comfort. You prove to yourself that you do what you said you'd do. Habit 5. Nightly scoreboard. 3 bullets, win, lesson. Tomorrow's first move. Takes 60 seconds. Keeps your brain honest. That's how you compound without burning out. Do this for 30 days. Comment "lock in" if you're starting today.